All right, we begin with your announcement of our weather kit tomorrow. Join us same time, same place. Luther Family Ford is going to host Carter Bruce from Thief River Falls, Minnesota, coming to help me talk about the weather. Speaking of the weather, we talked about the temperature differences between Fargo and Frisco. There they are, 6, and we've warmed up substantially today across the Southern Valley. 61 in Frisco. If you're heading south, though, it's not without some weather woes. First and foremost, we want to let you know that we are certainly going to have some challenges for travelers between here and Frisco. I'm going to get to that in a moment. Right now, it is gusty, it's windy. And wind chills are still a factor in eastern North Dakota, down to 10 to 20 below zero in the Devil's Lake Basin and the Cheyenne River Valley. A band of snow pushing through. This is a warm front. That's what scrubbed out that Arctic air that we began the day with. Now we're back to above zero temperatures in many locations, but we're seeing flakes flying, reducing visibility to under a mile in portions of northeast North Dakota, particularly along the international border. As we look into northwest Minnesota, Thief River Falls, a healthy band of snow heading into your area, Red Lake Falls as well as central parts of Polk County. At this hour, sneaking across the river all the way south and in toward Park Rapids, we have some light snow showers showing up. Temperatures are still single digits, but at least above zero for all locations at this reporting hour. And here's a look at the temperatures we began the day with. Teens and even 20s below zero, while in Frisco it was a chilly 34 this morning. Temperatures warming nicely down south. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour forecast this evening in the valley. That band of snow we saw here lifts to the north and east, but we'll have more snow during the overnight hours as the wind will continue to be quite brisk overnight. See the green arrows? We're going to have gusts from the southeast over 30 miles per hour into the overnight. That's going to cause more showers of snow to pass through. I pause this at 1 in the morning. A fairly healthy band moving through the Devil's Lake Basin, and the northern Red River Valley could cause some accumulation for your morning commute. We're not talking 8 inches of snow here, but there'll be some snow. That should be exiting first thing in the morning, and temperatures will rise from where we are right now into the morning hours. That's one thing to keep in mind. The wind should start to taper off as we go through the morning hours, but in the afternoon it picks up, and it'll be from the west or northwest. It'll be gusty out in our western counties as it pushes some of those clouds out of here. We'll see some sunshine, and for Thursday, it should be for the most part quiet, minus the morning snow. Now, if you're along and north of Highway 2, you're going to have some snow to drive through, 1 to 3 inches possible for a few near the international border. Temperatures for your afternoon on your way home from work will range from the teens in the north to near 20 for us in the Southern Valley. All right, your Proceed Road to Frisco forecast. Let's start out with what's going on for travelers on Thursday. A little bit of rain as you get into the southern tier of states, Oklahoma into Texas. But what happens on Friday? Severe weather outbreak, a possibility Friday afternoon. Look at the snow behind it. You don't really want to be traveling through that on Friday if you can help it. And because of this, we'll have heavy rain and chance of snow all the way into Saturday morning, game day. Strong north winds. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center has an enhanced risk. So some tornadoes from Frisco and points east Friday and into early Saturday morning. Beautiful shot here. Wanda, thanks for uploading your Ulen, Minnesota photo. Here's your planning forecast. On Friday, we're back down on the low side of things, below zero with a whole 1 degree in the afternoon. Saturday, mighty chilly, 19 below zero. Then, as we head through the weekend, it does look like temperatures, well, they're going to hold off the deep freeze ones until we get into the day on Wednesday and Thursday. Then we're back into the teens to 20s below. So quite a roller coaster. And for all of you traveling down to Frisco, well, keep in mind there's going to be some rumbles of weather moving through there on Friday.
Definitely take care.
Yes.
All right. Thanks, Hutch.